male spotted bowerbird. For the last 2 months, he's been busy in anticipation of brief rains. That is when females will look for a mate. So he's built a bower, a sort of theatre, a stage on which he will dance with the female if she's willing. He decorates the entrance with piles of empty snail shells and bones. You can never have too many shells. But in his absence, a rival male drops by to size up the competition and cause trouble. Wreck your neighbour's bower and your own might look better. The owner is back and something isn't right. Repairs are needed. Time to rehearse his courtship display. Time. But sadly, he may only ever dance alone.